So good afternoon everyone. So this video we are going to discuss about assembly. So in this assembly, first initially some of the small things I have not done over here in the previous component. So that is by 6 hole I have not made it. So that we have to do it first. After that in the barrel, so that keyway cutting 4.5 into 3 so that we have to make it up to the length of 245 because 265 minus 20, so 245 we are getting. So up to that we have to create it. After creating that we are go for the assembling. So in the assembling what happens, in the assembling I have not the assembling first initially I am not bringing the body part. Why? Because of in the barrel, so in the bottom it have keyway cuttings. So in the keyway cuttings, how it has to be gone fixed over in the body part, it's very difficult to keeping over here. So that first I am going to sub-assemble this feather as well as barrel. Okay, so go to the assemble and for zoom, then select the particular surface and top of the feather. So because this has to be gone met with that, so no, it is not in this direction, it is comes in the opposite direction. So that also we have to make it with the help of flip. Then go to the side, this as well as the side of the top of the feather we have to select. So now once it has to be fixed over here. Okay, after fixing this, again select assemble once again. So in the particular surface inside the keyway cutting I selected. So after that the front portion of the keyway, the front portion of the feather I want to select. So this is the position, give fit. So this it will have certain distance, so I am going to give the distance as some 20 mm. Why? Because of it is the movable one. Okay, along with the feather it is movable one, so that I have done. So now I can go and bring the body part. So now it will be easy to arrange it. So assemble, this one has to go with this particular hole. Okay, so go for here, rotate, fit. So in the particular hole has to be fixed over here. Just to confirm, flip, and after that in this one this axle alignment, this also we have to make, so in the opposite direction. Okay, so exactly it has to be fixed over here. After fixing this, okay, like this, so it is a movable one, no? So wherever you want you can keep over here. So then finally the next step I'm going to bring the which one, this center 19 center has to be going to fix over in the this barrel. So where is the center? So center I'm going to bring. So assemble, so it comes in the tapered one. Or otherwise, first initially I am going to select the assemble this particular surface as well as here this one. So it comes in the opposite direction. So I am going to give flip. So finally I am going to make the assemble over here. Okay, so the axle alignment I can give. So the initial steps has to be over. Then rotate. There is the option is called rotate. After rotating, so I am going to bring the next part while using the assembly. So first part, second part, and third part, and 19th part. So this has to be assembled over here. Now I am going to bring the 13th part. Okay, so the 13th part I am going to bring, so which is that 13th part is the handle. I am going to bring, go over here, select handle. So handle I am going to keep over in the top of this one, so bottom this surface, and assemble. Okay. After assembling this, then which will bring the 12th, 14th, 11th component we can assemble. So according to that, so 11th is the stud. So go over here, select the stud. That is the stud. We see the component. Okay, the stud we are going to make arrangement over here. So select assemble. Stud. Select assemble. So we will see the diameter of the stud. So that stud, so what is the component? Stud is 11th component. So where is the 11th component? Is here. One end is M16, another end also M16 20 mm. So this we are going to keep over here. Select cylindrical part over here. So just with the help of move part. Okay, so this has to be move over here. Exactly, you can fix over here, then you can stop, then we will rotate this one. So now I am going to select the 13th one. So 11 stud, 12 washer, and 14 external nut. Okay, so what is the washer M16 and external nut M16, because this will be 12th and 14th. So external M16. So both the things we have to bring over here. So external nut, external nut M16 as well as washer M16. So now first I am going to fix the washer. In this surface, this has to be met, and axial alignment we can give over. Now can give flip, so that means it is gone inside. So while selecting this this particular surface, we will be very careful. So as much as such possible, we can bring over inside. Select assemble. So once if you are not getting, means please delete the component and retrieve from again from the part library. Go to assemble, this one as this. So just try to give flip. it will become down, I think. So now this as well as inside, so it has to be assembled. Same like the other M16 also. In this surface, this, so I'm going trying to make the flip, so it will be go downward. So this you can select, and axial alignment of this and this one, so this also assembled. So almost in the front somewhat assembled. After assembling, what is the next part? So 11, 12, 14, as well as here 1, 2, 3, 19 we have assembled, even 13th also assembled. So then we can go to the 17th and 18th, 15th, okay. So and 16th, so first we are going to make the 16th one, then 15th. 16th is the square head bolt, so go over here, which is the square head bolt. So this one will be the square head bolt, and the square 16th is square head bolt, 15th is the clamping plate. So in that clamping plate, and 17, 18 it has to be attached over here. So where is the clamping plate? First initially bring the clamping plate. So on the clamping plate we are going to fix over here. So assemble this as well as this one, and this as well as the bottom surface. So the clamping plate has assembled. Now this sub assembly I am going to bring over nearby the component, and as well as here just to rotate this as well as this. So this has to be done over here. So like this the surface alignment you have to give. So after giving this, I am going to make the next one, what is that, 17th and 18th. So almost it is the washer as well as 17th and 18th is the washer M12, hexagonal M12. So go over here, washer 22, hexagonal M22. So select assembly, this as well as the washer. So try to give flip, it will goes down. So the original you can keep, this one as well as the middle. Then again select the assemble. So already it is there. So top of this the screw has to be come over here. Then axial alignment, even this here you can fix over here. So the component has to be saved over here. So almost the front portions, what are the things we have done, then comes into the other thing. So fourth component, what is the fourth one? It is the screw spindle. The screw spindle we are going to bring. Go over here, select screw spindle, select screw spindle, bring over here. Now this screw spindle, which way it will becomes over here. So the lengther part it comes this side. So go, and so that means this threaded portion it will becomes inside, and try to keep the wireframe model. Why? Because of to getting this edge, because you see that has to be fixed over here, okay. So that edge it's required. So go select assemble, even the inside one, like assemble, otherwise solid part we try it. So now you can go and select the assemble. So this particular surface has to be fixed with, so select this surface has to be fixed with this one. So it is comes into the opposite direction. So I made it the opposite direction, and also we have to select this particular thing into the this one. So it has to be arranged. So try to see the how this thing has to be arranged over here. Exactly it will be fixed over there. Okay, so now after arrange this thing, now you can go to the check it. So exactly it will be arranged. Okay, now what things it will be goes inside, that is the fifth one. So what is the fifth one? That is the flange. Go and bring the flange over here. So where is the flange? Flange it bring. So this flange I am going to select the particular surface over here. Select assemble this as well as the particular this surface. Okay, so before arranging this, do one thing. So first axial alignment of the screws you can give. Okay, rotate this screw as well as any one of the screw you can give. Now you can select the surface, this one back side of this as well as the middle. Okay, or otherwise. So what happens, sometimes it's not aligned. So go over here. So first this as well as the middle. So delete the component. Suppose some 2 to 3 times it's not coming, is please delete again, retrieve the component over here. So that is better thing. The surface as well as here, click and assemble. And go to over here, assemble the back side component. So it has to be assembled over here. So once it has to be assembled and comes to select the other thing, that is what is the next after the fifth, sixth component is the screw, and the seventh one is feather key. So seventh one is the feather key. I am going to keep here the feather key in this cap. So first I am going to place the feather key. So where is the feather key? So this is the feather key. Sorry, delete. So it's not feather key. So feather key where we have exactly we are going to fix means, so above this the threaded portion, the feather key we are going to keep over here. Okay, so select this as well as the inside surface, and we are going to move according to that. We are going to fix the feather key. So just move part, keep it in between those things, the feather key. So after keeping this, I am going to bring the what is the next thing, Eighth one, handle, wheel handle. So go over here, wheel, hand wheel. So this is the thing. Select assembly. This particular surface has to be placed over above this, and rotate. If you are not clearly view, rotate. From this I am going to place over this one. So then axle alignment. So you have to be done over here. Okay, so going to try to rotate, so it has to be fixed properly. So once after assemble this, better you can keep the feather key over here. It's good. So then we can come into the next portion. That is the what is the next thing? 8th and 7th already we have kept, 9th and 10th. So 9th and 10 is the FP410 and M12 and hexagonal M12. So M12 hexagonal nut as well as this hexagonal nut as well as washer M12. So select surface, flip, flip, and so first hexagonal, then select this as well as this and flip, flip, that's it. So the wheel handle is assembled over here. Then which is the other thing is left out. 1, 4 already we assembled, and 6 screw. The screw so we thought of to assemble before itself. Anyhow we will assemble over now. Go and select the screw, select assemble, the inside the hole, and this is the thing, and comes to other screws. Select a screw, Control Z, select the screw, assemble, screw as well as here and top. The second screw has to be assembled over here. So like other side also we have to assemble the screw. Select screw. So before making the handle, so placing the handle, the screw we are assembled, that is best. This and flip, and select one more screw, select, fit, flip. So almost it assembled, so we can leave. So after assembling this, I will try to rotate, and after rotating this, I am going to check what are all the other component is not done. So almost 7th, 8th, yeah, 5th. So body arranged, feather arranged, barrel arranged, screw, spindle, flange, fifth part, fifth flange. So flange also assembled, and screw just now arranged, feather key starting, hand wheel arranged, washer M12, extra nut M12 arranged, stud. What is the stud? Stud is also arranged. Then comes into the washer M16 and hexagonal nut arranged, handle assembled, and clamping plate it comes in the bottom, and square head bolt that also comes, washer as well as hexagonal and center. So all the components have to be arranged over here. So once if you completed this, go and save as a draw assemble diagram, give save. After giving saving, so go to the create drawing, okay. So next, front, just check the front view, how it will be like. The front view is coming like this, but it's not the front view, so we have to rotate, align edge. So I'm going to rotate towards to the front view. Almost this is the front view, and top and diametric. Finish, going to keep over here, okay. So wherever you record the section, you have to make the sectioning over here. So go and change the sheet setup, and F4 with 297 give, okay. So each and everything move and keep over inside the one, and give fit. So I think one more sheet is created, so better. Now save, go to here, again create drawing, give OK. Next, front custom, trying to rotate, slowly you can rotate. One you get the front view, top, and finish. So dry metric also you have to add. Go to your sheet setup, A4 white, give OK. Okay, this component has to be come and place over inside the sheet. Okay, so like this you have to make the this one. So due to the software problem, this original sheet has to be placing over here. Okay, so this I am going to save as into the Tailstock video. Save. So close and complete. So it will take around half an hour. So practice well and come to the practice well and do the assembling over here. Thank you.